What's up, guys, and welcome back to SLS Animations. It's your boy Jay Logan here, repping the Elite Squad, Ringside Collectibles. You guys already know what to do. Hot off that unboxing video that you might have seen, Elite 74. We're gonna break that down figure by figure, piece by piece, and give you, my take on, what these figures are looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and get that box out the way, try to block all my personal info so you don't get that stuff. Slide it out the way. Anyway, we're gonna get straight to that right there. 10-piece accessory bundle. Let's go.
Jay Logan.
Is enough, and it's time for a change.
Are you ready?
Alright, so 10-piece accessory bundle available ringside. Collectibles.com, that's wrestlingfigures.com. Make sure I get that clear. So many lights. Put that in the corner now. Bam! Alright, you guys see it comes with a whole bunch of pieces here. A ladder, table, chair, wheelchair, ref. Let's go. 10-piece accessory bundle. Let's go ahead and bust this bad boy wide open, see what we got here. Get everything in focus. Actually, I gotta turn that so we can quit glaring. There we go. First thing you see, you open it up. It comes with all the goods. I'm just gonna dump it out here on the platform. Get all the pieces out. You guys can see there. Pause the video if you need to. Ringside doing it real big for all the fig lifers. Let's go ahead and move that over. Crutch 3-piece breaking table. Oh boy. Reminds me of those old school tables from the Attitude Era Jax figures. We have a big boy mic that looks good. Real cool for stop motions or pick feds. You can print something out, put it there, custom made. Alright, 10-piece, break it down, let's get into it. Excuse me. We got a heavily detailed wheelchair here. See if I can get that focus just right. A little workage on my controller here. Bent down a little bit. Some shipping. You guys can see here on the back. Everything's from wrestlingfigures.com, made in China. Yes, those move. So if you're doing the stop motion deal, pick fed deal, Ringside's got you covered. Stiff wheels, cream of the crop, top notch stuff. Alright, let's go zoom that back out and see what else we got here. We have this massive black ladder. I would say Attitude Era. This monitor. I'm gonna grab this monitor very quick. This is big. This is bigger than the WWE one, so let me grab one. Alright, here we go. So we got Mattel's little monitor, and we have Ringside's big monitor. You see it's got the gloss up there, the matte paint down here. Hold on, see that focus right. And this is just yeah, big improvement, amazing work. It's gonna look good on that table when you're doing that commentating. You got the headpiece for the commentators. Very nice. Very nice. Heavily detailed. Put that on the table. As I said a few minutes ago, we got this massive ladder with pieces for even, figure stop motions already included. That's pretty smart. Snaps together like so. Across the knee. Another areas right here. Nice. Steps together real good, real smooth. All black ladder, silver steps, very clean. We have this neck piece that goes with the wheelchair, you know, for that injury when someone's hurt bad, an edge or whoever, the crutch. Yeah, very clean. I'll take some photos with this stuff, put it at the end of the video. This is Velcroed on. Let's have a look at any figure and have them, you know, just straight up injured. Very cool accessory. Ringside chair. You guys know all about those. They're all over the site. Very cool. Add that to the table. And the ref shirt. I know a lot of you guys are going to get this just for the ref shirt, so go ahead and take some photos with that on a figure as well. Very clean, very thick, sturdy material. Velcro, just like, you know, current figures. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Use the codes in the corner that are like right here. Oh, I almost forgot. You know, that Danny Davis came out in that WrestleMania series, you know, like 2 issues ago. It's up on Ringside. Old school ref, those flat hands, that head sculpt. You know, this series just got done, so I went, you know, took that old Shane O'Mac body that came a few series ago because those pants look so much cleaner than these old school cuffed, creased khaki pants. But you know, those are jean pants. Simple hand swap. Actually, I swapped out the arms up here because it has that big piece on it. You know, I had some extra arms laying around. I always do because I have so many figures living that fig life. Swap out the 2 hands. We got 2 flat hands now. Yeah, Danny Davis and that head sculpt for Danny Davis that'll live forever now. Gotta pop that on, and just like that, I got a brand new ref for my modern figure collection. And Danny Davis lives on forever. And yeah, it's like that. The 3 count, guys. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is Elite 74. And I'm out. Peace.